everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you all how to get this Valentine's Day inspired makeup look. If you'd like to learn how I did it, just keep on watching. First, you're going to want to get your hair out of your face so it doesn't get in the way and to avoid your hair from getting messy. I just used these two hair clips. Next, you're going to want to prime your face. I'm using my Blemish Control Face Primer by e.l.f. This helps my makeup last much longer and helps prevent me from getting oily. Next, I'm going to be using my BH Liquid Foundation in Natural Beige and applying that to my face. Taking a damp beauty blender, I am going to blend it out. I personally like using beauty blenders because it helps prevent foundation from going on streaky, and it really helps to press the foundation into the face. Because this foundation doesn't have full coverage, I did go back and apply more foundation. To do some spot concealing of blemishes, I am taking more foundation and using my fingers, pressing it down on the areas I want to cover. The warmth of my fingers really helps to melt the foundation down. To set my foundation, I am using my Mineral Wear Talc-Free Powder in Translucent Light by Physicians Formula. To set, I'm going to use a simple powder puff by e.l.f. I absolutely love this powder because it really helps to control my face from getting oily. So if you have combination or oily skin, be sure to put a generous amount on your T-zone or wherever you get oily. To prime my eyelids, I am going to be using my Cease Crease Eyeshadow Primer by Pure Cosmetics. A little of this product goes a long way. The amount you saw me put on my finger I used for both my eyes and still had some left over. Be sure to get all the way to your brow bone as well as under your waterline, as we are going to be putting eyeshadow there as well. Taking the My Little Pony eyeshadow palette by Pure Cosmetics, I'm going to be using Pinkie Pie, a bright neon pink, and putting them on my outer corner and in my crease. To really help build the pigment, I like to do a swirling and dabbing motion on the outer corner of my eyes. To add more pigment and depth, I'm going to be taking the color Tempest Shadow, a really nice brick red matte eyeshadow, and applying it to the very outer corners of my eyes as well as in my crease. This really helps to make the pink eyeshadow pop even more. Taking the BH Studio Pro Ultimate Artistry Shadow Palette, I will be taking this pink shimmer color and applying it to the center of my eyelid. Since this is a shimmer shadow, be sure to do dabbing motions for the best pigmentation. Also be sure to get as close to your upper lash line as possible. Next, I am going to be taking this cream duochrome shade and applying it to my inner corners. This helps to add more shimmer as well as to help make your eyes appear much larger and brighter. Using Pinkie Pie from the My Little Pony eyeshadow palette, I am going to line underneath my waterline, starting from the outer corner to the center. Next, taking the same duochrome cream shade from the BH Cosmetics palette, I will be lining the inner corner. I will be extending much further out than my natural eye shape to give the illusion of larger eyes. Using my BH liquid eyeliner in the color black, I am going to place a very thin line above my lids. Try and get as close to your lash line as possible to avoid any gaps. Next, I will be using my eyeliner/brow pencil from LA Colors to line my waterline as well as my tight line above. If any, this can also help to decrease any gaps you may have made with the liquid liner above. Taking my eyelash curler from Forever 21, I am going to curl both my lashes before applying mascara. This will help to widen your eyes even more. I will be using the Max Volume Plus Waterproof Mascara by Wet n Wild. This will help your mascara to last through the night. I like to run the brush through my lashes a few times and then curl to really dramatize the look. Don't forget your lower lashes as well. I like to lightly sweep the brush from side to side to help make sure they stand out as well. To finish off the eye look, I am going to be taking my Glitter Eyeshadow Primer by e.l.f. and applying it to the center of my eyelids. While the primer is still wet, grab your powdered glitter of choice, dip your brush and pat the glitter on. Don't sweep or rub, as this can take off some of your eyeshadow. I absolutely love the use of glitter. It really helps to put the whole look together. I applied it simply to the center of my eyes to give it more dimension, but if you'd like to apply glitter everywhere, all the more power to you. Taking my fan brush, I am simply going to sweep whatever fallout there was from the glitter application. Next, I am going to take my Mineral Wear talc-free bronzer in the color Light to lightly contour my cheeks as well as my jawline. Be sure to also blend up to your temple for a more even look. This really helps to provide me with a nice natural light contour. However, it is buildable if you want something more sharp and intense. For my cheeks, I am using my Mineral Wear talc-free blush in the color Natural. Like the bronzer, it is light but also buildable. I don't want the blush to be too pigmented because I want the focus to remain on the eyes. So I am going to go in with a light hand to provide a more natural and subtle look. Since this is a Valentine's Day inspired makeup tutorial, I had to use my Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighter in the color Sweetest Bling. I am going to apply this to the tops of my cheeks, the bridge of my nose, really accenting the tip of my nose, as well as my Cupid's bow. To prep my lips, I am going to be using my lip balm from Pure Cosmetics. Taking my gel lip liner in the color Never Petal Down by Wet n Wild, I am going to line and fill in my lips. This will help with the lasting power. Also, because the lip color will be intense, this will help prevent it from going all over the place during application. Last but not least, I am going to be using my Mega Lash Liquid Catsuit Matte Lipstick in the color Oh My Dolly by Wet n Wild. This is by far the best liquid lipstick formula I have tried. It is transfer proof, long lasting, and the bright pink color is perfect for Valentine's Day. And your look is complete. I hope that you guys enjoyed this Valentine's Day makeup inspired tutorial, and I hope more so that you have a wonderful Valentine's Day. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!